Hi friends, welcome back to this platform. My name is Marjorie Nantambi, your personal growth and personal finance coach. Yes, for those that are coming here, people are loving the videos about vision boards. I'm getting awesome feedback. Thank you so much. And for those that are watching this for the very first time, it is not too late for you to actually work on your goals, your plans, the dreams you have for this year. Let us know in the comment section what you are focusing on this year. So share this video, share this link. Let us grow with each other. We all need each other. Yeah, like I said, we are not leaving anyone behind this year. So we've been talking vision boards. We shared a video about vision boards, what a vision board is, and what exactly you need to do to make sure you work on your vision board. And if you've not watched that, I'll link the video in the description box, or I'll put it somewhere on the screen such that you're able to watch it first. Actually, before watching this video, if you have not watched that video, please watch that video first, because what we are sharing today is what we are supposed to do after we have worked on our vision board. So people keep asking, okay, I worked on my vision board, I put it up, I put images, so what next? What do I do? Yes, like I said, we need a plan to get going with our goals. After you've put the house you want to build, the car you want to drive, the business you want to start, the relationship you want to have, the kids, or you know how you get a beautiful photo of a beautiful family from the internet and you put it on your board. So the question is, what do you do after that? What happens is, we need to put up a plan. I've seen people come to me and say, but Marjorie, the vision boards don't work. I did that and nothing was coming through. And I'm like, yes, actually, vision boards don't work. Do you know who puts in the work? Yeah, you got it right. You put in the work. So when you work on our vision boards, it's not enough for us to put it up there and go to bed. Like the Bible says, faith without actions is dead. Yes, you got that right as well. So faith without works is definitely dead. After we have worked on our faith, we put up the images, believing God that yes, God is going to do this for me this year, God is going to do the other. Now we need to put in the actions. And as we put in the actions, we have just a few things that I'm going to note that we need to keep practicing as we work on our vision boards. I have a few notes on my phone here that I didn't want to leave out. So I hope you also have your notebook to note down just a few things that are going to help you on this journey. Now, Terry Savelle Foy has a book called Dream It, Pin It, Live It. And in that book, she says that change what you're saying and you'll change what you're seeing. Wow. Change what you're saying and you will change what you are saying. You've heard about how a tongue is powerful. What you say and declare over your life can actually come to pass. It is actually true. So we need to practice what we say. We need to be careful and mindful what we say at what point, because words are actually very powerful on this journey of achieving our dreams and getting the things done that we want to achieve in our life. So, and Terry goes ahead to say that we need to use our words to shape our world. You know, in most cases, we use our words to describe the situation we are living in. Oh, I'm poor. Oh, I'm struggling. Oh, we have nothing to eat. Oh, she says in her book, Dream It, Pin It, Live It, that we should actually use our words to change our situation. So instead of using your words to describe your current situation, remember you have worked on your vision board and the things that you want to achieve. Now, it is very important for us to use our words to change the situation instead of describing the current situation. Yeah, I hope I didn't lose you on that one. Let us use our words to change our situation, not to describe our situation. So if you are tired of the situation where you are, maybe you've been struggling, the business is struggling, your relationship is struggling, your kids are struggling and things like that, instead of saying that, now, after we have worked on our vision board, let us start declaring the things that we actually want in our lives. And we have three things that I'm going to share with us today. Now, the first one is we need to declare God's promises of our lives. Remember, as we work on our vision boards, we are trusting God. And like I said, you need to dream big. Why? Because then we are believing that God is actually going to make this happen for us. Like they always say, if your dream is possible, then you are not dreaming big enough. So when we dream big enough, that means we are actually relying on God. God is actually waiting for you to rely on Him. It's like that thing you're struggling with, I can actually take care of it. Yeah, and that is what he is telling you right now. So the first thing that we are going to do, and I noted down just a few scriptures that I'm going to share with you to help us on this journey of speaking words and God's promises over the things that we have set on our vision board. And the first one there, it says, and there is also a quote here by Joyce Meyer that says, it is one thing to stop saying the wrong things. Like I said, let us not use our words to describe our situation. So Joyce Meyer says, it is one thing to stop saying the wrong things, but it's also another to start saying the right things. Yeah. So we are stopping saying the wrong things and we are starting to say the right things. And what are the right things that are going to help us achieve the goals that we want to achieve? Like I said, the first thing we have to do is to declare God's promises over our lives. I have a few scriptures here, and we need to use these faith-filled positive words, because guess what? We are human. Sometimes you wake up and you feel like nothing is shifting. You look at your board and you're like, am I lying to myself or something? How am I going to achieve these things? Look at the situation that I'm going through right now. But the more we declare God's promises over our lives, the more clearer it becomes, the more closer we get to the things that we said we want to achieve. Yeah, so some of the scriptures that we can actually use, like we have said, we need to use our words to change our situations. And after we put the board up, it's important to declare God's promises over our lives. And you know, there are very many scriptures that can help you do that. I have a few written down here that I'll share. Like we have Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 to 6, which says, I trust in the Lord with all my heart and lean not on my own understanding. Yeah, like we've said, we are not leaning on our own understanding, because we are trusting that actually it is God that is going to help us achieve the goals that we said we are going to achieve. I noted another one here, which is Philippians. I have Philippians chapter 4 verse 13, which says, I can do all things through him who gives me the strength. Yes, God is actually giving us the strength to keep us going, to make sure that we achieve the goals that we said we wanted to achieve. So the three things that we need to do after we have put up our board, like I said, the first one, we declare God's promises over our life. And then the second one, we need to declare our unique individual desires. Declare your desires. Yes, you've put them on the board, but you need to declare them. If it's money that you want to maybe achieve this year, yes, or it's a business you want to achieve, start declaring these things to yourself. When you wake up and you look in the mirror, what are you declaring to yourself? That is how the affirmations come in play. And I'll share a detailed video about some of the affirmations that you can use for your finances, for your health goals, for your social goals in a bit. So what does that mean? You need to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss that video when I put it up next week, right? So how do we declare some of these individual desires? You can say, I'm disciplined. Like I shared, I'm going to share detailed video for the affirmations that you need to use. So the third thing we need to do is declare your dreams. You need to declare your dreams, and as you're declaring your dreams, we need to use the positive tense, positive and present tense. For example, if you want to be debt free, so you have to start saying, I am debt free. I'm at my perfect weight. I'm at my perfect weight. Like I said, I'm in my perfect relationship. I'm the perfect mother, and all the things that you have set on your vision board. Now, like for me, like I mentioned, I love a Range Rover is one of the things that I love, and it's actually on my vision board. So I can declare that I'm driving my Range Rover. Hey, so when you find me somewhere in my Range Rover, just know that I declared that dream, right? And then the fourth thing we need to do is to speak our dreams consistently. Yes, so there are the four things. One, we declare God's promises of our life. Then we declare our individual desires. Then the third, we need to declare our dreams. And lastly, we need to speak them out consistently. Do not just work on your board and put it there and forget about it. Speak these dreams consistently, because the more you speak them, the more you declare them, the clearer they get in your mind, and the faster it will be for you to achieve them. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know which one stood out for you, which one are you practicing, and which other tips are you using to help you achieve the things on your vision board. Share those in the comment section and let us all learn together. Like I said, we are not leaving anyone behind. We are actually growing together this year. So don't forget to subscribe, because we shall have a video out every single week, and I keep sharing more tips on my Instagram, that is Marjorie Nantambi. Head over to Instagram. Don't forget to follow me, because we are growing in that space as well. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video, and that is next week. Don't miss it. Bye.